Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.8, question number 5, that is most important for paper's point of view. So let's start. The second term of an harmonic progression is 1 divide 2 and the fifth term is 1 divide minus 4. Find the sequence according to condition. Second term of harmonic progression is 1 divide 2, so equal to 1 divide 2. A2 of arithmetic progression is the reciprocal, that is 1 divide 2 is the reciprocal equal to 2. So next, A2 can also be written in the form of A1 plus D is equal to 2. So A1 is equal to 2 minus D plus D. Take left hand side to right hand side, sign will be negative. A1 is equal to 2 minus D, that is equation number 1. Next, second condition, A5 of harmonic progression is minus 1 divide 4. So A5 can also be written in the form of A1 A5 of arithmetic progression. So reciprocal of minus 1 divide 4 is equal to minus 4. So A5 can also be written in the form of A1 plus 4D is equal to minus 4, that is equation number 2. Putting values equation 1 in equation 2, so equation 2 becomes 2 minus D plus 4D is equal to minus 4. So 4D minus D is equal to 3D equal to minus 4. Take left hand side to right hand side, minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 6. 3D is equal to minus 6 dividing by 3 on both sides. So D is equal to 3 2 times 6. D is equal to minus 2. Put D is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes A1 is equal to 2 minus D. So value of D is equal to minus 2. So 2 minus into minus 2 is equal to plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. A1 is equal to 4. Find 12 terms according to condition, that is find the 12 terms. So A12, find A12 can also be written in the form of A1 plus 11D. So by putting the values, A1 is equal to 4 plus 11 into value of D is equal to minus 2. So 11 2 times 22, 4 minus 22 is equal to minus 18. Hence A12 term of harmonic progression is equal to minus 1 divide 18, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.